Just hearing about YouTube Shorts and wondering how they work? Watch this video, I'll show you how they work. Thank you so much for being here. For more tips on how you can better your real estate business through the power of technology, then please hit that subscribe button below. It's somewhere around here. And hit the bell to be notified of when I post a new video every single Wednesday. I get a lot of traction on my social media channels, and main reason is because I'm always jumping on new trends, and it seems like whenever there's a new trend, that's when things blow up and you get a lot more views. YouTube Shorts is going to be no different, so let me show you how they work. So the beauty with YouTube Shorts is anybody can make them. It's not like some of the other things where you need 10,000 followers or 5,000 followers. A YouTube Short can be made immediately. It doesn't matter if you have 0 views on your channel, 0 subscribers, you can start doing them, and just a couple tips on how to make them, and from there, YouTube will show them in the short category. One is your videos have to be vertical. So you want to record them like this. Do not record them like that, otherwise it won't work. And they have to be under 60 seconds long. If you do that and then upload it, some will make it, some people like to make sure they put the hashtag shorts in their video, and then they're certain that the video is actually going to show up. There's some videos showing up that don't even have that hashtag, so you may not have to put it, but for me, I like to put it just to be safe, so I'm certain it does. So let's go make a short here right now. So now I've got my video up. There's Photo Guy. We're not going to do a short on him. He is short, but we're not going to do YouTube Shorts. So one thing I like to preach on my channels is consistency. So let's try to create a YouTube Short on that. Let's see how this goes. So all I'm doing is opening my camera on my phone, and we will record from there. If you want to have any success in real estate, you need to be consistent. Those who are consistent are the ones that get the best results. If you're doing social media, be consistent. Post every single day. If your big thing is lead generation, be consistent. Contact your leads every day. Customer follow-up, any other programs you're working on, be consistent. Get the systems put in place. As you can see, I always relate it to exercise. If somebody wants to be good and fit, they got to be consistent with exercise. Real estate is no different. Anything you do with it, lots of people will try it and then they give up. They just quit because they think it's not working, but they never put in the time. They weren't consistent with it to get the results. So if you want those results, you need to be consistent. So there you go. I've got it recorded. Now from there, it's just in my photos on my phone. So I can actually go to YouTube then, and if I go to create and I hit upload a video. Now there's been some debate. I've heard a couple things. I have been posting mine on my desktop. I've heard rumors that you need to post it from your desktop. If you go from your mobile, it may not work. I have not confirmed that or not, but so just to give you an idea, here's how easy it is. You just go next from there. And here you go. So create a title. So I could say you need to be consistent as a real estate agent. And then, like I said, to be safe, I'm going to put in that hashtag shorts. That way it's in there, just so I know. And then in the description, I do the same. I won't do all this, but somewhere in the description have the hashtag shorts. There you go. I want this public. From there I can go next, I can post it, and that's all. That's how easy it is. Again, TikTok came out, and then all of a sudden Instagram came out with their reels, and now and Twitter has their own. Now there's no different with YouTube. They want to get on this gravy train as well. And I've heard of a lot of people. This did start in India, so when they went to upload, they did have that where I went to upload a video, it said create a short. We don't have that yet as of today when we're creating this video, so that's where we have to put in the hashtag shorts. If eventually they do have that button, you can just hit that and upload that as a short. And I've been hearing people that have been getting amazing views from their shorts because it's a new thing. Anything new is when they get lots of traction. So make sure you go on YouTube, start creating some of those, and see how it goes. What are some ideas you have for YouTube Shorts? Comment below and let me know. There you have it. So now you know how to upload a YouTube short. I actually did upload that one through my mobile. I was incorrect. Yes, you can upload it through a mobile. So go on there, you can check it out. When you go to my page and you're at my screen for my home page and then scroll down, you'll see the little section, YouTube Shorts. I actually created a playlist for YouTube Shorts so that they do show up on there and hopefully we get more views. This is a new feature through YouTube. So as you know through other videos, like I've done on Instagram Reels, I even tried Instagram Guides. I don't have a video on that one yet, but anything that is new, get on it right away because it's new in the algorithm. There's not many people doing it. And if you post more, you're going to get more views off the start. It's kind of like I always related to, I think back, man, I wish I had got on Instagram when it was brand new, how many years ago, and think of the following I would have now. But back then, people were like, oh, you don't get many views, there's not many people, we don't even know if it's a proven platform, and they didn't post. And then all of a sudden, when it got popular, they're like, yeah, now I want to be on that platform. Well, guess what? The algorithm changed. All of a sudden, it was harder to get followers, and it took those people a lot more time to grow a following. YouTube Shorts may be the same thing. A bunch of people right now aren't using it, so do it, and then you may grow your following from there. Then when it is too popular, you've already got the following and you've got all that exposure. So YouTube Shorts, go give it a try. Let me know what you think. Now you know how to create YouTube Shorts, but maybe you're wanting some different video ideas you could use for YouTube Shorts. If so, you're gonna wanna click on the link in my description below. In there, I have my free guide of video ideas that have 10 times my leads. When you're done here, don't forget to watch my prior videos on generating business through social media. And please, if you found this video beneficial, you know what to do. Give me a like, subscribe, comment, and share with your fellow realtor friends.
Bye.